Hello everyone, I am Rushika Jayasinghe from Sri Lanka. This is my final project done for CS50's Introduction to Programming with Python. Here's a small description about myself. Now let's go through the project overview. This Task Manager project is a command line based application. It helps users in organizing and managing their tasks efficiently by providing different features as shown. Now let's go through each of them one by one. When you run the program, it will display the available options for you. So let's first add tasks to our application. You can provide a name, description and the due date for each task. The description is not essential, but the due date is essential and should be in the correct format. Otherwise, the entry will be rejected. After adding each of the tasks, you can go to the view option. Then you can view the added tasks with their relevant details in a table as shown. Initially, it will display all the tasks as incompleted unless you have marked them as completed. To mark a task as completed, you can choose that option from the menu, and by providing the relevant index, you can mark that task as completed. Now if you view the task again, you can see the completed task. Next feature is you can sort the tasks by their due date. Only the incompleted tasks will be sorted and the completed ones will be removed. You can also view the upcoming tasks. Now only the incompleted ones are left and the completed ones are removed. Now if you want to delete a task, you can choose the delete task option and then provide the relevant index. As you can see, the relevant task is now deleted. This project incorporates data persistence by saving tasks to a JSON file. This assures that tasks are retained even after closing and reopening the application. So that's the end of this video, and thank you.